Hi everyone, let's take a look at the Beader's calendar by Beading School for 2026. So you'll receive this beautiful luxury calendar, and it's gorgeous. This is the pictures, everything, it's just beautiful. And you'll have access to all the tutorials that are in here, which is amazing. So the first Monday of every month, they release the tutorial. You can download the tutorial from Beading School website, and you'll also receive an email notification, and you can become a member of Beading School Club to get all the help you need to show off your jewels from the calendar. This on the wall, you can follow easily what's happening at Beading School because they have all these dates written in of everything that they do. Coffee time with Erica, no one has to bead alone, all the birthdays, you name it, everything. And then you can put your own little goodies in there as well. All beads and components to make these jewels are available on the Beading School website. We also prepare kits for the calendar jewels that are available in the bead shop when the tutorials are released. So amazing. We also ship worldwide. So if you know these calendars, you know. And if you don't, come take a look. I'll put a link in the description box below the video so you can take a look at this and see what you think. But 12 downloadable PDF tutorials, that's fantastic. Plus this gorgeous calendar. So take a look and see what you think.